Yeah, see here. First, we have to draw the principal axis. Okay, this is the principal axis and this is the mirror I am taking. Okay, so this is a convex. This is a convex I am taking here. So convex means outer path is working, right? So this is not works now. Okay, we'll consider this as M and this point as M dash. Okay, and consider an object. Okay, consider an object AB. Right, consider an object AB. So we have to observe the image of this object, right? So where we get the clear image, that is only the focus. Okay, so we want the focal length. So from this we can derive that. So what happens? Light from this, okay, light from this object, okay, incident on the mirror, and we know light travels in all directions in a straight line, is it not? So we draw some light rays like this. Okay, and one exactly incident at pole, one parallel to the principal axis, one just will consider making some angle which incident at C. Okay, which incident at C. So we'll consider this as C. Okay, right, and yeah, this as P, right? Okay, now these are the directions of the incident rays. That is very important in ray diagram, is it not? The directions are very important, right? So okay, right, so what happens here, we have to know first. When a light ray, okay, when a light ray incident at the center of curvature, it retraces the same path. That means light ray incident and it reflects, we know, right? Okay, right, so reflected rays, how the reflected rays should be. Okay, see, we'll consider, for example, this is I incident ray. Okay, a light ray which is incident at pole obeys all the laws of reflection. That means it reflects in this direction. Obeys all the laws of reflection means what we can say in this direction? We can say I is equal to R. So we can take this as our angle of reflection. The first point what we have to remember is the light ray which incident at pole P of a lens, okay, the reflected ray obeys all the laws of reflection. All the laws of reflection means what? The incident ray, reflected ray and the normal drawn are in the same plane, as well I is equal to R, is it not? So that's why I am writing here I is equal to R. Okay, and the ray which is, okay, and the ray which is incident at the center of curvature retraces the same path, and that means what? The reflected ray retraces the same path. That means this is the reflected ray here. Okay, that is the reflected ray, and here is an incident ray, na? Okay, that reflects in this direction, we can say, for example. Okay, that reflects in this direction. So all the rays which are incident on the mirror, they reflects. Only reflection here, not refraction. If it is a lens, refraction also takes place, but we are taking a mirror, only reflection takes place, is it not? Right, so now where we get the image is important here, na? Where we get the image, right, where all the rays focus or converge at a point, there we get the image, right? So see here, if we extend these ray like this, okay, if we extend this ray and also if we extend this ray, okay, all the rays are converging at this point, no? Here we get the image. Okay, here we get the image. We can write this as, we can write this as A dash, B dash. Okay, and yeah, this is nothing but the focus. Is it not? This point is nothing but the focus, and P to F we know which is nothing but the focal length. Okay, na? Right? So simply we get the diagram, ray diagram very easily. So we want the mirror formula. Mirror formula is nothing but to derive the formula for the focal length of a mirror. So we can take either convex or concave. So I took a convex lens here. So convex mirror here. So in inner part of that mirror cannot works, right? So I am taking three incident light rays. Okay, number of light rays incident, I am just taking three light rays. It's enough not to draw. So one incident at P, one at center of curvature, one is parallel to the principal axis. So according to the properties, what happens when they incident at the particular places, okay, according to that we'll get the reflected rays, and if we join all the reflected rays at one point they converge, so there we get the image. Okay, now we get the image, right? You have to write the total description, like a light ray from A, okay, incident at M, which is AM, from the object travels parallel to the principal axis, and it reflects like that only. AC, okay, the incident ray the ray, okay, incident at C and retraces the same path. As well AP, okay, AP, okay, which obeys all the laws of reflection. So we can write here I is equal to R, and all the, if we extend all the rays, they join or they converge at a point, there we get the image which is focus and which is nothing but A dash B dash, the virtual image we can say. Okay, right? So this is the description we have to write, and from here we have to go with the sign convention. Okay, we have to go with the sign convention and how to write. Okay, so we'll see. According to the sign conventions, okay, according to sign convention, first what we want is the object distance. We want the object distance, image distance, and we have to observe either we get the geometrical shapes or not, everything. From that only we'll get the derivation, right? So we'll see. Okay, according to the sign convention, right, object image is object image. Object image means what? It is U. Is it not? U means what? The distance from pole to object. Is it not? It is the distance from where to where? Pole to object is the object distance. So according to sign convention, from where we have to measure? From B to P or P to B? From where we have to measure?
P to B, ma'am.
What? What, Ranjita?
We have to measure from P to B, ma'am.
Yes, very good. We have to measure from P to B. So I am writing PB. Is it not? PB, we know, which is nothing but U. Object distance, now U anta ankantivalla, which is nothing but U. Okay. Right. So we are measuring from PB, and the direction of the incident ray is like this. Both are opposite to each other. So we have to write here U as plus or minus.
Minus, ma'am.
Minus, yes. Both are in the opposite directions, right? We are measuring in this direction and the incident ray is like this. So we have to write minus. Very good. This is what? Minus U. Okay, then we'll go with the image distance. Okay, image distance. Image distance, where we have to measure? Image distance means nothing but the distance from where to where? It is the distance from
pole to the image formed, ma'am.
Yes, it is the distance from pole to image. That is nothing but PB dash, right? B dash. PB dash, which is nothing but again V only. Okay, it is nothing but V, right? So PB dash is V. Is it plus V or minus V? So we are measuring
Plus V, ma'am.
Yes, PB is we are measuring in this direction as well. Light is also in this direction. Yes, very good. That is what? Plus V. Okay, as well, we'll take the focal length. What is focal length? Focal length is the distance from pole to focus. Is it not? It is the distance from pole to focus. So we have to measure from P to F. From pole only we have to measure. So we are measuring in this direction. The incident ray is also in this direction. So it is F or plus F or minus F?
Plus F, ma'am.
Plus F, ma'am.
Plus F. Yes. And one more distance we have to measure is what? Radius of curvature. Radius of curvature. Radius of curvature is also nothing but the distance from P to C, is it not? It is the distance from P to C. So we have to measure like this. And the incident ray also in this direction. So radius of curvature is what? Plus R. Yes, and we know radius of curvature PC is equal to plus R, which is equal to, we know the relation to F. Now done. So we wrote all the distances. Okay. So either they are plus or minus. We wrote all. Right. Now we go with what? We go with the geometrical shapes now. Okay. Where we get the geometrical shapes. So see here. In this A dash, B dash, C. It is a triangle. Okay, number of triangles are there. A dash, B dash, P is a triangle. Okay, and yeah, A dash, B dash, C is a triangle. Yeah, all these are the triangles only. Okay, we have to choose a triangle in such a way that we should know the values of the sides. Means A dash, B dash is what, B dash, C is what, like that. We have to know the sides of the triangle. After that, we have to choose the triangles. So I am choosing the triangle A dash, B dash, C as well A, B, C. Okay, now both the triangles are the identical triangles. Is it not? They are identical. So I am writing triangle A dash, B dash, C is identical to triangle ABC. If the triangles are identical, from the formulas of triangles, we can write like this. See, A dash, B dash. So, we can write A dash, B dash by E first to AB. Okay, which is equal to next to B dash C by BC. Okay, right. Okay, A dash, B dash, something we wrote. What is A dash, B dash? We don't know, right? Even what is AB, we don't know. Is it not? So, we can write this as, okay, we can write this as A dash, B dash by AB. Okay, we'll take this one. A dash, B dash by AB can be written as R. Okay, without A dash, B dash, idu best nimige understand agtada. B dash C by BC toganta idina. Okay, B dash C by BC. C. B dash C by BC. Okay, so see, B dash C. What is this? We don't know the value. Is it not? So to get the values particularly, we have to go with some other idea. Okay, so B dash C can be written as PC minus PB dash. How the B dash C, C. Here is B dash, here is C, here is P. We want B dash C. For example, this is 5 antan kamana. Okay, and this total one is 10. We don't know B dash C. This is 5. Okay, from here to here it is 5. From here to here it is 10. From here to here we don't know. Then tell me from these values, what is B dash C? PC totally is 10. P to B dash is 5. B dash C is what?
5.
5. So what are you doing here? 10 minus 5, is it not? That means what?
Yes, ma'am.
PC minus PB dash only. How that? So that I am writing here. PC minus PB dash. PC minus PB dash by, okay, BC. BC. We don't know BC also. Just wait. Okay, we don't know. Therefore, we can also write A dash B dash by AB, which is equal to, okay, R minus V by minus U plus R. Consider this equation as 1. Okay, now we go to angle A dash P B dash here. Okay, A dash P B dash. Okay, A dash P B dash, which is equal to, okay, angle A P B. Okay, A dash P B dash is equal to A P B. We can write. Okay, so also we can write like this. Triangle A dash B dash P is identical to triangle ABP. See, A dash B dash P is identical to ABP. Okay, ABP. Stick ಮುಂಚೆ ಏನು ತಗೊಂಡಿವಿ? A dash B dash C ABC ಅಂತ. Now what we are taking? A dash B dash P is equal to ABP. Okay, both are identical. So from the identical formula we can write again like this, right? A dash B dash by AB, which is equal to, okay, I am taking in this direction, PB dash by PB. Okay, right? So PB dash is what? PB dash is V, na? PB dash, here it is. PB dash is V, right? So I am writing V by PB is what? PB is what? Minus U. Okay, so I am writing here minus U. That means what here? Consider this as equation 2. Okay, from the two equations, if we observe the two equations, A dash B dash by AB, A dash B dash by AB. Is it not? So we can equate these two. That means what? R minus V by minus U plus R, which is equal to V by minus U. We can write like that, no? So always we have to remember one thing, what we are doing and why we are doing like this. Okay, so ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಬೇಕು? F ಬೇಕು. ಹೌದಾ? We want F here, that's it. Is it not? So F ಇಷ್ಟು ಮಾಡಿವಿ, ನಮಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು F ಬಂದಿಲ್ಲ. But we know R is equal to 2F, right? So we got F here already. Okay na? So F ಬರ್ತದಾ? Before that we'll simplify this. Cross multiply this. What we get? Minus U into R minus V is equal to V into minus U plus R. Is it not? Okay, so what we get? Minus UR plus UV, which is equal to minus UV plus UR. Sorry, this is V, na? VR. Is it not? Okay, so what I am doing here is, next step, UV, UV na inga ankanta idini UV, which is equal to minus UR ಆ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದ, what we get? Plus UR plus VR. Excuse me. Okay, so next step, what we get? 2UV is equal to UV plus UV is 2UV. ಹೌದಾ? 2UV is equal to R is common here. ಹೌದಾ? R is common. What we get is U plus V. Okay na? Okay, if not we can just write like this also. 2UV is equal to UR plus VR. Now dividing this equation by UVR. Okay, dividing the above equation dividing the above equation with UVR. Okay, if you divide the above equation with UVR, what we get? 2UV by UVR. Is it not? Which is equal to UR by UVR plus VR by UVR. Okay na? Now UV gets cancelled, UR gets cancelled, VR gets cancelled. Is it not? Now what we get? 2 by R is equal to U by V plus U illala 1 by V plus 1 by U. Right, so we got this, but we want f question ನಾವು ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ, ಅದು ನಮಗೆ ಕಂಪಲ್ಸರಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ನೆನಪಿರಬೇಕು. So 2 by R is equal to what? R is equal to
2F.
2F. So R place only just write 2F. What we get? 1 by V plus 1 by U. From this 2 gets cancelled. What we get is 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Okay, which we can say excuse me, which we can say that as a mirror equation. Okay, very important. Last time kelera, last time kuda kelera. Okay, so what is mirror equation? 1 by F is equal to 1 by U plus 1 by V. Okay, so to get the mirror equation first, okay, mirror equation means nothing but what? To get the focal length of a mirror. Okay, right? So if we know the focal length, by adjusting the mirror, we'll get the clear image. That is the use. Okay, so how to get the focal length of the particular mirror? So we can take either, this is a